When you're broke, you always have some random ingredients that don't belong with each other. Those fancy people call it made it from scratch, but we call it put our shit together. So today, I invented this fuckery that's gonna piss off both Chinese and Italian. MapoGhetti. And let's get it. Heat a wok or a pie or a sick pan, oil in, ground beef. I don't season the meat in this dish. Again, season your meat is not your top priority for your broke-ass life. That's why I love Chinese style. Garlic, ginger, and chili. I don't have onion in my broke kitchen, but if you have it, don't be afraid to use it. Stir. When you smell the fragrance, kill the heat. And here comes the exciting part. This is a mixture of chili powder and Sichuan pepper powder. If you don't have Sichuan pepper, use any pepper you got in here. I'm gonna use the rest of it. I'm not gonna use it again, because this shit got some other seasonings like MSG, which is something I don't like. I've already said it before, eating MSG is like fucking bitches with heavy makeups. Chili flakes, Guizhou flavor, and other chili flakes, Sichuan flavor. Medium-low heat, stir them together until you see the oil turn red. Pour in tomato sauce along with some water. Bring to boil. I just happen to have different chili flakes because they were given by my friends. They advertise themselves with different flavors like the chili they're using are from different places, but the truth is, they just mix the chili flakes with different quantities of other different seasonings. So if you don't have those, don't worry, just use chili flakes. Alright, when it's boiling, some salt and sugar, and it's time for spaghetti. The whole idea is to cook the spaghetti, which could take 8 to 12 minutes, depends on the brand. Meanwhile, reduce the sauce to the consistency you prefer. So yeah, have some fun with the heat. This shit happens when the time is perfect, but your spaghetti is still a little hard and you're running out of water. Don't panic, kill the heat, lid on, let it rest for 5 minutes. And here you have it. Nice and soft, savory, spicy, saucy, cheap. MapoGhetti.